I love this unit, mainly because we discuss several issues that we hear about in everyday life, in the radio, the streets, and the media. In Law 101, we cover an extremely interesting range of subjects. We study the ideas contribute to the emergence and development of the Australian legal system, how law rules the Australian government and society. We evaluate some of the existing laws and determine whether they are good or bad, fair or unfair, by reference to principles of justice, human rights, and economic efficiency. You'll be able to think critically or as a legal professional about current issues widely debated in Australian context, such as asylum seeking, terrorism, discrimination, and economic policies of the government. I am very excited about meeting you all in trimester 2 and look forward to sharing Law 101 together.
One of the key skills you'll be learning in this unit is about critical thinking. And when I say critical thinking, I'm not talking about being negative or argumentative, but a way of thinking using criteria to evaluate legal rules and also to develop what we might call informed criticism rather than simply opinions. One of the reasons we work to develop your critical thinking skills is that it is a necessary part of becoming an independent learner so that you're able to evaluate legal claims and identify aspects of the law that may be in need of reform. Another aspect of the unit that I'll be teaching is the topic on race in the law, and we're looking at the impact of race, particularly in relation to the relationship with Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples and the legal system. So really we'll be asking the question, does the Australian legal system live up to its values in the treatment of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples historically and also today? So I look forward to working with you all in Law in Context and exploring some of these challenging issues in your legal development.
Ez and Marcel have talked about the content of the unit, so we're going to be exploring some of the basic ideas that underpin Australian law. We're going to drag them out into the sunlight and try to take a closer look at them and how they impact on our thinking about law and society. But we're ambitious in this unit. We're not going to stop there. We're also going to teach you some other basic skills. Skills that you'll need as a law student, how to organise your time, how to make effective notes that will be useful when you review the unit and prepare for the exam. Also, how to read, efficiently read a large volume of material without drowning in the details. How to use the online library to find sources. But we're also going to teach skills that you'll need as a lawyer, how to find and read cases, how to find and read legislation, how to cite legal sources, and how to construct a strong essay and strong arguments. We also have another strand that we do in this unit, which is about helping law students to develop resilience. So these lectures, this series of recordings that I'm going to make, are designed to keep you focused on the positives, to develop your self-confidence, to learn to deal with stress and deadlines as you go through your degree, and to build your sense of satisfaction in what you achieve in the unit and in your law degree as a whole.